In this tutorial, we're going to go over file recovery. In the case you should have a catastrophic event, such as your computer shutting down on you, Winner has plenty of methods to recover your files. So we're going to go into the editor, and we're going to let it open to where you see all of your files. And we're going to go to the Recover tab. You'll see Case, Transcript, RTF, TXT, and Recover. So we click on the Recover tab, and you'll see that every file should have an SAV and a BU. So we're going to go down to Demo, and you'll see that in this case it has 3 files for it. This is an unedited version of the real-time file. This is a timed backup. So in your preferences for the editor, you have set how many minutes it's going to save. So every 3 minutes, every 2 minutes, every 1 minute, however you decide. In the BU, this is a save. This is a copy of the save. So when you exit and save, then the BU will be updated. When you hit the save button, the BU will be updated. I recommend going first into the SAV file and opening it up. Now, when you do this, Winner does not save where you last were at in the save file. It only does that for the TRP. So then you go down and you look to find out where you were. And if it was here, everything up here is edited and ready to go. Everything from here down is not. Maybe you lost a minute or 2 of editing. And then what you would do, and this is the file that you want, you click on File, Save As, because the editor will not allow you to save the original or over the original name. So you give it an extra name, an extra letter, or recover, which is what I usually do, and then you hit save. If this was the BU, you would do the exact same thing. File, Save As. One thing you can do is double check your saving. Just as a precaution, you would go to Tools, Preferences, and go to the Save tab. And as you can see, this was not checked. This sometimes can go away or get cleared out by a Windows update. So it is important that periodically that you check these settings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.